Soft as the voice of an angel, reading a lesson unheard. Oh, for a gentle persuasion, whisper the comforting word. Wait till the darkness is over. Wait till the tempest is done. Hope for the sunshine tomorrow after the shower has gone. Whispering home, oh how well come thy home, making my heart in its sorrow rejoice. This song, Beautiful Dreamer,
Mm-hmm.
and what was another one?
Where? As for you.
When I was in grade three, I was 8 years old. From that time, I still remember this song. We had the music lessons, and it was part of our syllabus to learn music. So during our music classes, we had to sing these songs. So this was Beautiful Dreamer, and what is the other one? Always when I sing one, I remember the other one. Oh, you.
Oh, how welcome thy home.
So yeah, I still remember this. Thank you, me inside ads. Thank you. So and then there was another one. I love to go a wandering upon the mountain strand. And as I go, I love to sing with my knapsack on my back. Valerie, Valdera, Valerie, Valdera, Valerie, Valdera, with my knapsack on my back. That was nice for camping. Song to sing as you go camping. But grade three, we learned this. Why? See, I can't remember the other one. The Beautiful Dreamer. I remember, we had to draw the treble clef and then we had to draw the notes and, all that. I only remember the treble clef, I remember. Always you have to start the music notes with the treble clef.
Uh-huh.
But when I was young, I had a voice called the soprano. I had a soprano voice.
Listen to the
And soprano are
rain,
people who sing at a high note.
listening for my favorite song. When I
Today I
hear
cannot,
love
today I
is
sing only
like
falsetto. My soprano voice disappeared in my childhood. I
ah.
was in the choir and all that singing. I was in the school choir singing and all.
Yeah, I was in the choir, but I'm only in the alto. I'm only in the alto, and I used to sing on
Oh, there's the
low,
voice of an
low tone,
angel,
low tone, low tone. So
reading
as I
lesson
am
on her.
as
Oh, for a
a low
gentle
tone,
persuasion,
it's a flat tone.
whisper the comforting word. Wait till the darkness is over. Wait till the tempest is done. Hope for the sunshine tomorrow after the shower has gone. Whispering home, oh how well come thy voice, making my heart in its sorrow rejoice. That's my falsetto voice.
Yeah, I used